Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to find a mirror feature in Capcut. So here I've already add a picture on my Capcut editing page, and if you guys want to know where is the mirror feature on a CapCut, you just need to click on your photo or video first, and then at the bottom toolbar here, just browse over until you find the edit options. Click on that, and voila, you'll see the mirror option or mirror feature in here. And if you want to do some mirror effect, you can just click on that, and just like that, it's so easy. So you can't find it when you browse over in here. So first you just need to click on the video or the photo first, then the edit will show up and you'll find the mirror feature. Okay, so that's all for me. If you guys have any question about the video, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you feel the video is helpful, don't forget to click like and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the next video. Thank you.